よく切れるようになります。
English, please.
Sharpening a knife makes it cut better.
Sharpening a knife makes
Yes.
it cut better.
Yes.
Uh,
I had a hard time translating this.
a knife 包丁
包丁
を
を
sharp 研ぐ
研ぐ。
sharpening 研ぐと
研ぐと
better よく
よく
cut 切れる
切れる
like ように
ように
makes it or become なります。
なります or makes it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I was wondering where make came from. I wrote down become.
Your camera off.
Oh, I hit a button. There's a button. I put my hand there and it does that. Sorry.
A knife 包丁
包丁
を
を
sharpening 研ぐと
研ぐと
better よく
よく
cut 切れる
切れる
like ように
ように
makes it is equal to become なります。
なります。
Do you have any questions?
Yes. 研ぐ means sharpen.
Yeah.
研ぐと
Mhm.
sharpening.
Yes, yes. Sharp 研ぐlike this. Sharp 研ぐ。
研ぐ
In Japan, special stone and knife, knife ridge, like this on the stone.
Yeah, we call it a whetstone.
Do you have any questions?
The next question, yoku. I could only find often, but it also means better.
Better,
Okay, thank you. And yoni is like.
like.
Thank you.
Whole sentence like this. 包丁を研ぐとよく切れるようになります。After me.
包丁を研ぐとよく切れるようになります。
Excellent. Once more. 包丁を研ぐとよく切れるようになります。After me.
包丁を研ぐとよく切れるように、包丁を研ぐとよく、sorry, 包丁を研ぐとよく切れるようになります。
Awesome, my turn. No problem, awesome. Sharpening a knife makes it cut better.
Perfect.
Thank you, English, please.
Sharpening a knife will make it cut better.
Once more, please.
Sharpening a knife makes it cut better.
Once more, please.
Sharpening a knife makes it cut better.
Thank you. And the second one, go ahead.
部屋の隅に椅子が積んであったの。
In English, please.
There was a stack of chairs in the corner of the room.
There was a What?
Stack.
SU? SU?
No, S-T-A-C-K.
The room, 部屋。
部屋
Op, の。
の
The corner, 隅。
隅
In, に。
に
Chairs, 椅子。
椅子
が。
が
A stack. 積んであった。
積んであった。
You know? No.
You know.
No.
No. Thank you.
Do you have any questions?
No, not on this one.
Whole sentence like this. 部屋の隅に椅子が積んであったの。After me.
部屋の隅に椅子が積んであったの。
Excellent. Once more. 部屋の隅に椅子が積んであったの。After me.
部屋の隅に椅子が積んであったの。
Whoa! A little bit better. Second one. And once more. 部屋の隅に。Please imitate my pronunciation. Copy my pronunciation. 部屋の隅に椅子が積んであったの。After me.
I will try. 部屋の隅に椅子が積んであったの。
Much better. Copy my pronunciation. 部屋の隅に椅子が積んであったの。After me.
部屋の隅に椅子が積んであったの。
Excellent. My
Try.
turn. There was a stack of chairs in the room. Sorry. There was a stack of chairs in the corner of the room.
Perfect.
Thank you. English, please.
There was a stack of chairs in the corner of the room.
Once more, please.
There was a stack of chairs in the corner of the room.
Once more, please.
There was a stack of chairs in the corner of the room.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And third one, please.
朝起きたら首が痛かったです。
ね。In English, please.
When I woke up this morning, my neck hurt.
My neck. In English, once more, please.
When I woke up this morning, my neck hurt.
Morning, 朝。
朝。
This morning, 今朝。
Oh. 今朝
Yeah. For example, today, 今日、yesterday, 昨日、tomorrow, 明日。Morning, 朝。
朝。
This morning, 今朝。
今朝。
We use special word this morning, not この朝, but special word 今朝。
今朝。Can you spell that for me?
Yeah. 今朝。今朝。
今朝。Thank you.
Morning, 朝。
朝。
This morning, 今朝。
今朝。
This morning, translate directly, this morning, この朝. But actually, we use special word this morning, 今朝.
今朝。
One word. 今朝。
今朝。
This morning. 今朝。
今朝。
Woke up. 起きた。
起きた。
When. ら。
ら。
when. ら。
ら。Thank you.
Neck. 首。
首。
が。
が。
hurt. 痛かった。
痛かった。
です。
です。
once more. This morning. 今朝。
今朝。
Woke up. 起きた。
起きた。
When. ら。
ら。
Neck. 首。
首。
が。
が。
hurt. 痛かった。
痛かった。
です。
Yes.
Do you
And
have any
hurt
questions?
sounds perfect.
Thank you. Do you have any questions?
No, not at all. Thank you for
So, whole
kissa.
sentence like this. 今朝起きたら首が痛かったです。After me.
朝起きたら。
correct,
Oh,
better.
no.
今朝。
今朝。今朝起きたら首が痛かったです。
Yes, copy my pronunciation. 今朝起きたら首が痛かったです。After me.
今朝起きたら首が痛かったです。
Better. 今朝起きたら首が痛かったです。After me.
今朝起きたら首が痛かったです。
Much better. Awesome. My turn. When I woke up this morning, my neck hurt.
Perfect.
Thank you. English, please.
When I woke up this morning, my neck hurt.
Once more, please.
When I woke up this morning, my neck hurt.
Once more, please.
When I woke up this morning, my neck hurt.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And fourth, last one.
Yes.
Go ahead.
This is the one I wrote. 土曜日にラグは掃除機をかけた。
In English, please.
On Saturday, I vacuumed the rugs.
Once more, in English, please.
On Saturday, I vacuumed the rugs.
Rugs. How spell rugs?
R-U-G-S.
So, rugs.
Rugs, perfect.
土曜日にラグにラグにサタデー土曜日
土曜日
オンに
に
ラグラグ
ラグ
オンに
に not は
never use はに
に
バキュームと掃除機をかけた
掃除機をかけた
like this rug and vacuum head like this on the rug on
vacuumed on the rug. Thank you.
on
に
never は
never
はI am a pharmacist. I am a pharmacist. 私は。
私は
You are American. You are. あなたは。
あなたは
In this case, rug. On.
on
So, on the rugs. On.
に Thank you. Because now I look at it as 土曜日にラグ
に
It doesn't make sense when you say it's ni. It's not wa.
そう、土曜日にラグに掃除機をかけた。
Doyobi ni lagu ni sojiki o kaketa.
You know, this seven sound is very difficult for you. 土曜日にラグに掃除機をかけた。
Doyobi ni lagu ni sojiki o kaketa.
Excellent, once more. 土曜日にラグに掃除機をかけた。After me.
Doyobi ni lagu ni sojiki o kaketa.
Better, in Japanese rhythm, 土曜日にラグに掃除機をかけた。After me.
Doyobi ni lagu ni sojiki o kaketa.
Excellent, my turn. On Saturday, I vacuumed the rugs.
Perfect.
Thank you, English, please.
On Saturday, I vacuumed the rugs.
Once more, please.
On Saturday, I vacuumed the rugs.
Once more, please.
On Saturday, I vacuumed the rugs.
Thank you. I
Thank
could
you.
catch all your words and
Awesome.
Almost perfect your composition.
Thank you very much. Just missed it by one.
Yeah.
I was so happy to find the word vacuum. It took me forever to find that verb.
For example, 主語。subject. What is for subject?
Subject. Thank you.
What?
And when you say that, and
I am subject. Am what? You are subject. You are what? But on the rug, on, not the subject. So
Right.
you can't use what? But ni.
ni. I
On
see
the-
that now when I read it. It says doyobi ni lagu. That's not a subject.
土曜日にラグに掃除機をかけた。
Doyobi ni lagu ni sojiki o kaketa.
Yes, excellent. Today's meeting was very nice too.
It was very nice. Thank you so much.
Yeah, my pleasure. See you soon.
See you soon. Bye bye.